I'm going to link A1 from this sheet to A1 of range 2. So we start by clicking on A1 equals to, open the sheet you want to link to or from, click on A1 and enter. If you observe the input line, there's the range name and the cell. Now to do that, up till B18 we are going to use autofill, up till A18 and then up till B18. On range 2 we are going to insert today's date equals to today, and now we have to change the format. So we select the date, you go on the drop down arrow, you go down to more number formats, custom, and you change the format of the date here. So if I want to see the day in full, you keep on pressing the D until you have 4 space, and now you'll see the date, the numerical date, then M for month, and then Y for the full year. Click on OK and your date is displayed. Calculate the new web mark. If the mark was lifted with 2%, the mark must be higher, so it's equals to the original mark plus the increased part, which is the mark times 2.5%, and then we're going to press the F4 key to enforce the absolute cell reference, in other words preventing the cell reference from changing when we autofill. Enter, click on the answer and you autofill. The third one is use a formula to calculate the average mark. Now we are used to using the function, the average function, and now I want you to add them up and divide them by the number of marks. So it's equals to bracket, so it's the first mark plus the second mark plus the third mark plus the fourth mark, close your bracket and divide them by 4 and enter. That is an alternative for the average. Pass-fail distinction. It is a nested if. We are going to test if the mark is less than 50, we write fail. If it's less than 75, we write pass, otherwise distinction. So it's equals to if mark less than 50, comma, then we will write fail, comma, that is the true value. Now comes the false value, and we have to test again because there are 2 more options. If average mark is less than 75, then it is a pass, and there's only one option left, so I don't test again. If it's not that one, it is the other one. So we put on inverted comma, distinction, close the inverted comma and close your bracket once, close your bracket twice, enter, and now you can autofill.